On October 3, 1863, U.S. President Abraham Lincoln proclaims a Thanksgiving holiday to be celebrated on Thursday, November 26th. The move comes from a desire to express gratitude for the crucial Union victory at Gettysburg a few months earlier. Lincoln's announcement harkened back to George Washington, who had called for an official day of public thanksgiving and prayer in his first year as U.S. President in 1789. Lincoln further declared that the last Thursday of every November would thereafter be considered a national day of Thanksgiving. This did not, however, make Thanksgiving an official federal holiday, as it had to be proclaimed each year by successive presidents. Lincoln's decision was greatly influenced by Sarah Josepha Hale, a prominent figure known for writing the children's poem Mary Had a Little Lamb and editing the popular women's magazine Godey's Lady's Book. For decades, Hale had written articles and editorials advocating a fixed national Thanksgiving holiday, which was already celebrated in parts of the nation, especially in the Northeast. After Gettysburg, Hale wrote to both President Lincoln and Secretary of State William Seward, urging them to declare a national Thanksgiving celebration. Within a week of receiving her letters, Lincoln made his Thanksgiving Declaration. The annual presidential Thanksgiving proclamation continued for more than 70 years. Then, President Franklin D. Roosevelt made a controversial move during the Great Depression in 1939. The last Thursday of November that year was the 30th, which was the fifth Thursday of the month. FDR felt that moving Thanksgiving to the 23rd, the fourth Thursday, could boost the economy by providing an extra week of shopping between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So, he proclaimed the 23rd rather than the 30th as the Thanksgiving holiday. This sowed both confusion and backlash, with some U.S. states insisting on celebrating on the traditional last Thursday instead. Critics dubbed the president's change of date as Franksgiving. In 1940 and 41, FDR leaned into the controversy by moving the holiday to the third Thursday, as there were only 4 Thursdays in November during those years. To permanently end the confusion, in December 1941, Congress stepped in and officially established the fourth Thursday in November as the federal Thanksgiving holiday. Somewhere, Sarah Josepha Hale must have been smiling. Here are other events that happened today in history. In 1226, Italian friar St. Francis of Assisi, known for his poverty and love of nature, dies at 44. In 1932, after 17 years of British rule, Iraq becomes an independent nation under King Faisal. In 1942, during World War II, Germany conducts its first successful test of the V-2 rocket. In 1990, East and West Germany reunite under the leadership of Chancellor Helmut Kohl. In 1992, Irish singer Sinead O'Connor tears up a photo of the Pope on Saturday Night Live. Also in 1992, Barack Obama and Michelle Robinson marry at Trinity Church of Christ in Chicago. In 1995, O.J. Simpson is acquitted of the murders of Nicole Brown Simpson and Ronald Goldman. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. For how long did Russian satellite Sputnik transmit a signal back to Earth? 2 days? 22 days? 42 days? Or 62 days? Think you know the answer? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Find out if you're right next time on Today in History. You made it through Today in History. Nice work. Now treat yourself. Click the video on the right for what happened yesterday in history. Still can't get enough? The link on the left's got the whole playlist buffet. Want to make history a daily habit? Click my face in the middle to subscribe.